Hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. Yesterday I had given demo call. Yesterday I had given demo call, expiry demo call for Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see on screen the calls given on my Telegram channel. Same calls were given on YouTube also. Telegram channel, if you search Sunil Pawar Option King, Sunil Pawar Option King in Telegram, then you will find this channel. Time you can see 10 19 p.m. These calls were given on Wednesday night. These calls were given on Wednesday night. And here Nifty call opened at 94 and it has almost doubled. And Bank Nifty call opened a little high, but then it came back to the entry price and it has tripled. So I'll show you the Nifty call, Bank Nifty call performance in detail. So that is the classic example of how to make money in option trading. These calls were given on Wednesday night and also these rules were given. These rules, if you see on screen, these rules were also given at the same time 10:20 p.m. on Wednesday, and the rule was, if target, rule number 4, check rule number 4, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So with this rule I was updating. This call was given on YouTube also. You can check this video. So I was updating the performance. So there was a good time for the entry in Bank Nifty call. Up to 9:30 a.m. the trader was able to take the trade, because up to 9:30 a.m. it was trading at 200. Then it hit the target within 2 hours as per our rule number 4, and then it did not come back to the entry price. It did not come back to the entry price of 201 for whole day. So any trader who bought Bank Nifty call 38,600 at 201, he got 15 minutes to take that entry, and the target was hit within 2 hours, and as per rule number 4, which was shared with the calls, that trader hold that trade with stop loss on cost, with zero loss possibility. If he is holding that trade with the stop loss on buy price, then he will not have any loss if his stop loss of cost is hit. So he kept on holding that trade as per a rule till 3:20 p.m. At 3:20 p.m. the price was 741. He bought at 200. At 3:20 p.m. the price was 741 was the price. So capital tripled in single day on expiry. So options trading is very difficult, particularly on buy side, but you need to have accurate levels in advance. Levels in advance means these levels were given on Wednesday night, and then you should have a perfect trading plan. Wherever market goes up, market goes down, market opens with gap up, gap down, but you should be able to make the profit if that type of trading plan. This is a trading plan that we follow on every expiry. So if you have levels in advance, and if you have perfect trading plan, you can also make money every day with option buying. So this type of calls are given to paid clients every day, one day before in the night. So if you want to join that service, you can surely contact me on my contact number 98908 12070. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video, and share this video with all of your friends. Thanks friends.